Welcome to Auto Car Service, your go-to destination for everything automotive. If you love cars, reviews, and detailed breakdowns of the latest models, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. Today, we have an exciting review for you with the 2025 GMC Terrain. We're going to dive deep into its engine performance, interior comfort, and overall features to see if it lives up to the hype. So, let's get started. Engine performance, power efficiency under the hood. The 2025 GMC Terrain brings a powerful yet fuel-efficient experience. GMC offers two engine options: 1.5 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine produces around 175 horsepower and 203 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Offers an estimated fuel economy of 28 mpg combined, making it an efficient daily driver. 2.0 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine available in higher trims delivers an impressive 252 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque. Provides a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 7 seconds. Great for highway merging and overtaking. Still maintains respectable fuel efficiency at 24 mpg combined. GMC has also equipped the Terrain with all-wheel drive, AWD, options and a drive mode selector, allowing you to switch between normal, AWD, off-road, and tow/haul modes depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for smooth city driving or an adventurous off-road experience, the 2025 Terrain has you covered. Interior, luxury meets technology. Step inside, and the 2025 GMC Terrain welcomes you with a premium and tech-savvy interior. Premium upholstery comfort available in high-quality leather or soft-touch fabric. Heated and ventilated front seats for ultimate comfort in all-weather conditions. Spacious seating for 5 with best-in-class legroom. Infotainment connectivity, a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with GMC's latest IntelliLink software. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto integration. Available Bose premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB-C ports for fast charging. Advanced driver assistance safety features. GMC Pro Safety Plus, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree surround view camera for easy parking and maneuvering. Exterior design, 2025 Terrain maintains its bold and rugged design, but with modern enhancements: new LED headlights, taillights that give it a sleek, futuristic look. A redesigned grille that enhances aerodynamics and style. New 20-inch alloy wheels on top-tier trims for an aggressive stance. Available in several new colors, including midnight blue, graphite gray, and deep crimson. Driving experience, GMC has focused on improving the Terrain's driving dynamics. Refined suspension system that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. Precise steering response for better handling and control. Quieter cabin with enhanced insulation, making long drives more enjoyable. Optional adaptive suspension on premium trims for a smoother ride on rough terrain. Price trim options. The 2025 GMC Terrain comes in 4 trims, each offering the unique set of features. SLEA starting at $29,995. Base model with essential features. SLTA starting at $33,995. Adds leather seats, premium tech features. AT4A starting at $36,995. Designed for off-road enthusiasts. Denali starting at $41,995. Top-of-the-line luxury and performance features. Final verdict: so, is the 2025 GMC Terrain worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and tech-packed compact SUV with strong engine options and premium interior features, this might be the perfect choice for you. The Denali trim, in particular, offers a near-luxury experience without crossing into premium SUV pricing. What are your thoughts on the new GMC Terrain? Would you go for the efficient 1.5 liters turbo, or do you prefer the powerful 2.0 liters turbo? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Car Service for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and automotive updates. See you in the next video.